So if you watched my first video, part one of this sort of shows what glue I'm using, and all I'm going to do is apply glue to the shoe sole surface and the bottom of the cork and leather. Allow that to dry, and then adhere them. So these surfaces are tack-free to the finger touch. If you touch it and pull up glue, it's still too wet. So once you get it to that point, you can just line it up. Use a lot of pressure again. Okay, I'm going to let that dry for a while, and then we'll come back and trim off the excess. Okay, so the sole is on. You can see there's some points where the glue is stretched a bit, and we'll cut all that out. You can tell also that with these soles that there's a bit of a curve in, and it sort of conforms to the shape of the leather and the bottom. But it works pretty well. I've actually clamped that overnight to get it to squeeze at that point, and it looks pretty good. So what we're going to do now is cut this off, starting with tracing around, and it's going to be hard to show, but essentially there are better blades for this. I put a new razor blade in. We're just going to go around like that. You can tell you get a nice cut, and you can take a lot of time with this if you want. The hard part is when you get to the leather. Then you have to sort of shorten the blade and try not to cut through the leather. I often go through the top like this, and then trim as I want it to make it look. Alright, so it's not terrible. You can see there's this yellow stuff, but I think that'll just get dirty as I wear them. And you can also take the glue and rub it on here. That's all they're doing at the shoe store to sort of protect that cork, and you would do that regularly as you wear the shoe. And here we have sort of all the finished shoes. This is the original set that I've been wearing, and they seem to be wearing just fine. I think when you press down in the center, they're flexible enough that they flatten as you walk, so it's actually pretty good. These other types of soles. You can do the same kind of thing with the Birkenstock sole that you can buy a sheet of on eBay for I think $50 and do 7 or 8 shoes or something. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoy.